If you've always dreamed of traveling to far-off exotic locales, and who hasn't, but you assume those places to be outside your budget, my next guest suggests you revisit those dreams, and he even has some tips on turning them into your reality. Brad Olson is the well-known author of travel books and is in town to promote the Ticket Planet website at the Adventure Travel Show currently taking place at the Metropolitan Pavilion right here in New York City. Welcome to Business Unusual. Not one of the more exotic and locales, but what are you talking about here with it?
Well, I'm here with ticketplanet.com to tell people about how they can build their own round-the-world ticket itineraries. And we're presenting at the Metropolitan Pavilion and even offering online services, show people how to use the booking engine that ticketplanet.com has devised.
Well, it sounds like, most people, I'm sure, think, well, this is too complicated. I better go through, a travel agency and have somebody do it for me. Can you really do it yourself, a trip to, say, 3 or 4 different locations abroad?
It's definitely getting much more sophisticated now with the multi-stop destinations, but if you have a pretty good idea of the physical planet and the cities that offer travel hubs, then it's as easy as...
You're a somewhat sophisticated traveler.
Yeah, I would think so.
A lot of people are. You also have a subsidiary called diverplanet.com?
That just started up, and that helps people plan their dive trips with
Cool.
some experts. The one interesting thing about Ticket Planet is they're click and mortar. So not only is it an online presence, but they also have agents to help people with their itinerary. So if they had any questions booking those destinations that they weren't too familiar with, call the 800 number and talk to someone who's a world traveler, knowledgeable person.
What are some of the hot spots now, the good bargain places to go to?
Well, Southeast Asia is still a great deal ever since the Asia collapse, and anywhere in
Australia and New Zealand, are they?
They're still down as far as their currencies being valued back to the U.S. standards. But I still think best value is the subcontinent of India, Nepal, Pakistan.
You also wrote a book, you've written several, 5 I guess, the last one about sacred places. So tell me some of the sacred places on the planet.
Well, I broke it down into continents or major regions and included approximately 10 per region. And some are the very common ones, such as the Great Pyramids or Easter Island or Chichen Itza. But there's also some other more remote ones, some that you can't even go to, whether they're being on a military base or just so far out remote in the South Pacific.
What's your favorite?
Favorite sacred place?
Yeah.
Probably the Great Pyramids.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, we've got some tips now. We're going to put them up, and maybe we can talk about some things that the sophisticated traveler can... No tips? We have no tips?
The longer you travel, the more you save.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, so that's true, huh? So how many... But people don't have that much time these days to travel.
That's the thing, and especially with what Ticket Planet offers with these round-the-world tickets, that people really do need to make some time to be able to go to all these destinations. So in the lecture that I present tomorrow, the Travel Expos, I tell people time, money, and desire. If you have those 3 elements, then it's quite easy to travel around the world for whatever period of time
If you really know what you want, can you get yourself a better deal on the web than you could get through a travel agency?
Absolutely. And you can find out instantly what kind of price you're looking at, rather than shopping around or taking a lot of time researching phone numbers. Now you can go right to ticketplanet.com and find the best deals. All
right, we're there. Pyramids, I like it. Brad Olson, thanks for joining us.
Thank
Travel
you.
expert. And coming up next on The Take, food shopping at the petting zoo.